The transfer characteristic curve of a transistor having input and output resistance as 100 ohms and 100 kilo ohms respectively is shown in the figure. The voltage and power gain are respectively. Now taking into consideration the first data point where IC equals to 5 milliamperes and IB equals to 100 microamperes. For a transistor, we know that beta equals to IC divided by IB. Putting the values of IC and IB, we get 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 equals to 50. Therefore, beta equals to 50. Now it is given that the output resistance R0 is 100 kilo ohms, which is 100 into 10 to the power 3 ohms, and the input resistance Rin is 100 ohms. Voltage gain will be V output divided by V input, which is output current into output resistance, that is R0, divided by input current into input resistance, which is Rin. Now for this transistor, it will be IC divided by IB into R0 divided by Rin. So voltage gain is beta into R0 divided by Rin. Putting all the values, we get 50 into 100 into 10 to the power 3 upon 100. That is 5 into 10 to the power 4, which is the voltage gain. Now for the power gain, we have the formula, which is beta square into R0 divided by Rin. Now again putting the values, we get 50 square into 100 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 100, which is 50 square into 10 to the power 3, that is 25 into 10 to the power 5. Therefore, we have power gain to be 2.5 into 10 to the power 6.